I'm at the property today, and as you can see, we don't have any grass. It's all mulch. So today I'm going to be planting some grass seed with this WORKPROX automatic spreader. I'm so excited about this. It is an electric seed spreader. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the spreader that has an adjustable knob on it to give you more seed or less seed depending on your specific application. It does come in partially charged. There's no need for a battery. This one just takes a charging cable, and that comes with the charging cable as well as the instruction manual. You can see that when you have it on one, it only opens that door just a little bit, but if you turn it all the way to 8, it opens the door quite a bit more to allow more seed to flow through. On the bottom, you're going to have a speed adjustment knob that goes from 1 all the way up to 6. And then you have a width adjustment. This just opens wider to give you a wider spray, or goes narrower to give you a narrower spray. This is what it sounds like when it's on 1 speed versus what it sounds like when it's on 6 speed. I'm starting off with a 1-pound bag. You can see that this is a 1-pound bag. The hopper will absolutely hold more than 1 pound, but that's all I'm going to try for now. I had it on top speed and also had it all the way open, and I was done with a pound in probably like 2 minutes. Now we just have to sit back and wait and hope that it grows. That worked fantastic. If you're looking for a way to evenly spread your grass seed, I would not hesitate to recommend this from WORKPROX. It's way better than those ones that you push around or with the hand crank. This is so amazing.